Okay, here's an update on the Palmer House fan. Obviously the blade is yet to be finished, but wow, got her all together. Got a little bit of whipping sticking out there intentionally. Did not paint the knob, just kind of as an oversight, but I don't know, I might leave it, or I might try to just touch up some of those spots. I think it's kind of cool, the original paint on the switch at least. All right, let's juice her up here. Low is so beautifully low. I love it. It's just barely on. It's like a whisper. I can't even hear it. High is very powerful. There's some, it's kind of loud, but that's only because it's on my workbench here. Kind of some vibration. See, if I do that, you don't hear it, but medium. A very nice variation in all the speeds. But low, wow, how nice is that going to be to just have just a breath of breeze on low. I've got a little GE, little blue one. I'm not sure of the model. It's not a Vortex blade, but that thing on low is so gentle. There she is, getting closer from the Palmer House.